everyone, this is Coach Julio and hope you are well. So in this episode, I am going to share my experience and the experiences of many others regarding long-term weight loss, being physically full but not mentally satisfied. Keep watching. Now, before I go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get the latest and greatest videos. And so you know how it is. It happens to me all the time too. You know, I'm physically full, but I'm not mentally satisfied. I say that again. I've eaten everything that was on my plate, maybe even a little bit more, but my brain is like, hey, you need some more of this or that. And usually it's defaulting to some type of snack. It could be chocolate, it could be cereal. I am very guilty of eating cereal satisfied. This is even worse when I have embarked on or initiated a weight loss program. And it doesn't matter if it's 5 pounds or 10 pounds or 100 pounds. One of the things that I love to do with my clients and how I help people in my events, whether they're online or in person in my workshops, is that I try to give you practical tools that you can use today. So let me jump right into it. Whatever favorite snack you have, why not Google it and find an alternative, healthy version of it? Yes, if it's chocolate, Google healthy alternative version of chocolate. If it's starch, if it's pasta, healthy alternative. You get where I'm going with this. So I'll throw some ideas out there. So instead of having pasta that may put you over, you may start using zucchini, right? So you don't like zucchini, but you're looking for some snacks after dinner, some low-calorie snacks. So maybe you can have some kale chips. So there are so many other options out there at your disposal that we can start using today. Another tip I'm going to give is that if you can't, there's nothing original. I got this from somebody, just to remember. If you're eating processed food, which a lot of us do, and drinking it, if you cannot pronounce the ingredients, take it back. Give it to someone. If you cannot pronounce, again, the ingredients, you know where I'm going with this, where it's like 20 letters long, then put that back. Google healthy alternative. I am a huge advocate of losing weight safely and in a healthy way, and have certain proper expectations for each week. And that comes by learning about yourself. And yeah, you can use some of the apps, and you can get an idea of your average calories, and you can get a better idea of what's going to be the safest caloric daily and weekly deficit for you. And I'm not even talking about exercise, I'm speaking about nutrition. And then throughout the process of you learning about yourself and exploring new food alternatives, you're going to start to develop new lifestyle, new behaviors that's going to be conducive to your long-term weight loss goals. It's not an overnight process. Also, what are your thoughts? Have you ever experienced, being physically full but not mentally satisfied? Share your experience. Post it in the comments.